So, here we are, another day with Adventure Cam, and look at this freaking pallet, guys. What, it's the freaking Ford Ranger, and, well, what do we got here? It looks like we got one of everything. Armor. You know what, let's just dig in, let's see what we got. Let's cue a dope-ass motion.
It's a huge moment. Waited 8 months for this.
Right? Oh.
COVID and shipping and delays and all that fun stuff.
It's been painful.
It's a huge moment for me.
It's time to cut in. One box down.
That's beefy.
The Eco Beast is getting upgrades.
Facelift. Oh, here's the
Whoa. Oh yeah. Wow.
That's mint.
Look at that.
That's sick. Damn.
Installation time for two professionals like ourselves should be like 12 or 14 hours. We'll see how it goes. But one of the nice things is that we are working on the 2020 Ford Ranger, which means we shouldn't really find any rusty bolts. Right? Exactly. It's not like it's a 3-year-old. I'm gonna put this down as like a time lapse while we figure out just what the heck we're doing. Stay tuned.
Oh.
Okay, stock bumper is off. But we got a whole bunch of sensors and lights and gizmos and doodads to unhook. Then we can get to putting this mambo jambo on. We're at the precariously balance it while we line everything up. Just getting the marker lights in. It did come with these little brackets to use the stock lights, but this thing is heavy. It is heavy, so we got it propped up on mud boggers, the official bumper holder of awesomeness. And yeah, see how this lines up. First try, that's what I think, first try.
3 hours later.
This is the part where you get all your jacks out and blocks of wood, and you loosen everything, and you tighten everything, and you loosen it, you tighten it, and you loosen it, you tighten it. And what we're going for is the perfect gap, which we don't quite have yet. So.
Oh, and it's snowing.
And it's snowing. Well, here we have all 3 jacks going, trying to get these body lines matched up. We're looking pretty close, but we just want to get it closer in. So, a little bit of persuasion. Yeah. Oh, that's looking good. That is looking good. Look at that. Look at that, guys. But we're not done yet. Next up, skid plate, which is versus. I need 2 hands now, so. All right, stay tuned. We have to adjust these whatchamagithers to fit the hoo-hoo dilly. This is not an install video. We don't do how-tos, we do look at what we did. Be very, very quiet. Well, we are done with the Ford Ranger for today. The bumper is installed, winch is installed, skid plates installed, and we are leaving the sliders for another day because, well, they didn't come with any instructions and they're super freaking complex. We just don't have it today. It's not gonna happen today, okay? I need a break. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. Check another day because we're gonna take this thing out and put this winch to work because my dumbass is gonna get stuck in my Jeep and Cam's gonna save the day. All right, man. Thanks for coming by.
Have a good night.
Cheers. Oh, turbo sounds.